Okay guys, this is a 2018 Nissan Maxima SV. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. This is a clean title, clean AutoCheck trade-in that we just received. It's got leather seats, no sunroof. Start it up here for you. So, see those miles? 107,536 on the miles. No lights on the dash. Cruise control. Navigation. Backup camera. All your temperature controls. So your drive modes, heated seats. Does have a smart key with remote start. All your power options there. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power seats. VIN number. Spare tire, tools, jack. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.